Got a little Kubota B21 four-wheel drive tractor loader backhoe. Got good rubber on the tractor. This one here has high, medium, and low range transmission. And you just push pedal that way to go forward and that one to go in reverse. Tractor showing 1500, right at 1500 hours, just rolled over. Got the quick connect backhoe with 12-inch bucket. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up and show you how she runs. These little tractors run out real well. Power steering, Kubota diesel. Low, medium, high range transmission. Solid little tractor. These things are just going to be in real good shape. Plenty of power, pick it up right up off the ground. There she is, boys, sitting there running, don't smoke, knock, ain't got no leaks, ain't got no problem at all. Get in there and give us a shout if we can help you in any way. Thank you so much.